That's a big fish. Dude, what is this? What's going on, guys? So it is extremely windy today. It's warm right now and it's in November, but it's warm. So we're gonna go after gar. I know I'm crazy, but we're gonna go ahead and go after them and see if we can get some fish. And honestly, I'm fine catching anything today, but let's just see how we can do. Going ahead and throwing this mullet on. We're gonna rig it how I normally rig it because I think we have a good chance of catching gar today, like I said. So let's go ahead and see if we can do it. Alrighty guys, there we go, all rigged up. Alright guys, second bait we're throwing out. Another smaller piece of mullet. I know the gar usually takes smaller baits the colder it gets, so let's make sure this is rigged up all good. And let's go ahead and throw that out. Oh, wind knot. Alrighty guys, we've been out here not long at all. I've had this line out maybe a minute. We got one. So we're gonna let him roll with it and go ahead and set the hook. Alright guys, he's had it for about 40 seconds, 40 to 50 seconds probably. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get the slack up. Try to get slack up. This wind is brutal. And then go ahead and set the hook. Did he drop it? No. He's on there. He's on there. That's not a gar though, I can tell you that much. Oh, this might be the world's largest gaff top or a red or something. It's not a gar though. What is that? World's largest gaff top. All right, that is a tank of a gaff top. Not what I'm looking for, but holy crap. That is a beast. All right, I had to do a little surgery. I had to put my finger through the gills to get the hook out, but we got him. Nice gaff top. And if this is a gar, it's gonna be interesting because this is mono and I have a tiny little circle hook on here. So I doubt we'd be able to hook it, but we could try. I got it. That's a big fish, man. That's some catfish. There's no way this thing stays on here, dude. There's no way. I have mono leader and a tiny circle hook. It's definitely not a freaking catfish. I think it's definitely a gar. Dude. What is this? There's no way it's a gar, dude. I had a tiny little circle hook on here. I'm surprised it hasn't bent straight yet. What is this? What is this? This might be a drum. I just want to see it, dude. That's all I want to do is see it. It's a gar. It's a gar. It's a gar. Oh my goodness. It is a gar on this tiny little... That is crazy, dude. Unreal. I was just trying to get catfish on this rod. Pretty nice one too. That tiny little circle hook. Golly, what are the odds? And it's November. I've tagged quite a few gar here, so we got to see if this dude's tagged. I don't see one yet, but you never know. I know the gar here pretty much stay here. They don't really branch out too much. he's definitely not tired yet, so we're just gonna have to see what happens. That mono leader is so frayed. There we go. Got her. Oh my gosh, on this tiny little rod too. That is crazy, dude. Come on. Oh my goodness, that's a 5 foot something. There we go. All right, this one, you'll hear it. This one's going. I'm just gonna let him run with it while I get this fish out of here. Oh my goodness, guys. Here, I'm just gonna show you this fish. We got a fish on both rods right now. Here it is. Nice gar. Let's go ahead and get her back. We got a fish on both rods. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but all right, big girl. Thanks for the fight. That was actually really fun on that little rod. I'm probably gonna put more gar bait on there. All right. All right, so I ran out of my 1/0 live bait hooks. So we're just gonna use a 3/0 live bait hook. It's not much bigger, it's just all I got right now. But yeah. All right guys, he's rolling with it. I'm just gonna go ahead and set it. Trying to let him get all the slack. Oh. Gotcha. 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 Oh yeah, nice fish. Nice fish. I think we still have this one on here too. Yep, we do. We still got this one on too. Oh. No, 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 no. This fish came off. This one. What? It got tangled. It got tangled, dude. Are you kidding me? It got freaking tangled. There we go. There we go. There's a fish on. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one. That's a big one, dude. And this line's snagged in my other line. This is a big fish. I can't move him. Oh my goodness, this is a big fish, dude. Holy crap. This is chaos, dude. £30 mono. I want to see him jump or something. I'm seeing color. I'm seeing color. I don't know how big he is yet, but I'm seeing something. He's not that big. Is he foul hooked? What's going on? Is he foul hooked? What is going on? This, I think he ate it. Of course, well, obviously he ate it, but either when I set the hook, it came out of his mouth and hooked him on the side, or it's still in his mouth and it's wrapped under his gill. That's my two guesses. Nope. It did snag him, dude. He picked up the bait. I set the hook, and then when I set the hook, by some chance, it came out of his mouth and hooked him on the belly. Never had that happen before, especially with a gar. That's crazy. Or maybe I foul hooked the fish that I lost on here. That's very possible, because it got caught in the line, obviously. Got him. Got him. There we go. Oh yeah, he's a long one. It's bigger than I thought. Nice. He's got a little parasite on him. Most of them do in the brackish water, these little things. Look at that, dude. Awesome. I'm trying to get you out of here, dude. Relax. There you go. Oops. Oops, oops, oops. It's hard to keep it with the wind. Come on. All right. 60 inches, 5 feet. Look at that, dude. Awesome. That is an awesome, awesome fish. They're really pretty over here. They're dark. And straighten your tail, dude. Straighten your tail. He won't straighten his tail, but he's 5 feet. Nice fish. Look at that. Look at those teeth, man. Look at that. Awesome. All right. Alrighty. Let's get you back in the water, big girl. Let's get you back in the water. I would tag you, but I lost my tagging tool, so we're gonna have to wait for a new one to come in. Here we go. What the? Okay, I don't know what just happened. I don't know what just happened. He's still on though. I don't know what just happened. I gotta hold this full. There we go. There we go. Big fish. Big fish. What is that? What is that? What is this? Oh, he's way out there. I thought he was like right here. I saw a mullet jump. I was really confused. What we got? What is that? Is that a blue cat, dude? Is that a blue cat? It's a freaking big old blue cat. What? Oh my goodness. I knew he felt big for like a second, and then he felt smaller, and I like didn't want to say anything in case it was just like a gaff top, but that's a big blue cat. I didn't really expect this, honestly. Hooked right in the corner of the mouth too. There we go. Big old catfish. Look at that, dude. Oh man, that's an old fish. He's beat up. There we go. All right, dude. Nice catfish. Look at that guy. That's a nice cat. There we go. Alrighty guys, that does it for today. It's about to pour, as you can see, so awesome day considering it's November. I'm really happy I got some gar. Really didn't expect it, and I lost a few, and that was mainly because I was using a huge roller weight to keep the bait in place because the wind was so terrible. It's still terrible, you can hear it, but I'm happy with today. None of the ones I lost felt like giants, so I don't really care. I'm just happy I caught some fish, and that catfish was kind of unexpected. That was a nice sized catfish, but I'm gonna be getting back on some big blue cats soon and some fresh water, so yeah, pumped for that, but today was fun. Thanks for watching.